Okay guys, welcome. Let us discuss today what is weightage of different topics in GSI Administrative Officer paper, which will be conducted by UPSC. Another way to look at same thing is that which topic is more important and which topic is less important. Let us look at that. So guys, to do this analysis, what we did, this is syllabus of Admin Officer GSI. The syllabus has been released by UPSC. It was released in 2018 paper. For 2022 paper, it has not been released till now. Why? Because every time UPSC does not release syllabus with the notification, syllabus will come later. When it will come? When UPSC will come out with another notification which will have exam date. That time syllabus will come out, but syllabus is likely to remain same. Okay, so this entire syllabus has been subdivided into these keywords: General English, Indian Union, Current Affair, Personal Management, IR, Labor Laws, General Mental Ability, General Science, Computer Knowledge, and 10th is Office Procedure. So we have divided entire syllabus into these 10 units. If you want to understand what is to be studied in these 10 units and what can be excluded, then you have to look at another video which we have published on the YouTube. Look at that. Today we'll do what? We'll look at which is more important or which is less important. Okay. So to do that analysis, the first thing which is available with us is older paper of Admin Officer GSI, which was conducted when? It was conducted in 2018. In fact, on 23rd of September 2018. Forms were filled in April 2018. That can also give you some idea that approximately how much time can you get between form filling and date of exam. So on 23rd September paper, this was the weightage of different topics. So let us look at this. General Science 15 questions, Mathematical Aptitude and Reasoning 15, 7 questions from Labor Laws, IR 12, although Labor Laws is not part of your syllabus, so they were from ID Act 1947, Payment of Gratuity Act and so on. Then HROB 21 questions, Current Affair 11, 20 questions from English, and Indian Union 9 questions, which is nothing but majorly Indian polity, and Computer Knowledge 10 questions. Now note down this thing, guys. Note down this thing that there were 0 questions from Office Procedure and Management in 2018. So what do we conclude that? Should we ignore this topic? That will be stupidity. Why? We'll come to that. But for now, there were 0 questions from topic of Office Management. So guys, to extend our, because we have only one paper available with us. So what we did, we looked at some other papers. So which other papers did we look at? So please note that UPSC conducts admin officer exams for various organizations of Government of India. So this paper was conducted in 2018. Then in 2019, UPSC conducted the exam of admin officer only, but for BRO, Board Road Organization. Then in 2016, UPSC did an exam for senior admin officer for DRDA. Again 2014, DRDA. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So guys, although these 3 exams were not for GSI, they were for other bodies, but these are highly relevant. Why? Because the syllabus is word by word exactly same. The syllabus, the number of questions, the time, everything is same. Everything is totally same in these 3 papers. So these 4 papers are super important for us to analyze. Do not stick your analysis based on paper of 2018 only. So what we did a comparative analysis of these 4 papers now for you. This paper 1 I have told you. So this is our analysis. So let me help you read through this colorful slide. Okay. So guys, first thing, in GSIC paper, there were 0 questions from Office Procedure. Again, 2019 BRO also 0 questions. But there were 2 questions from Office Procedure in DRDO 2016 paper, and then 2014 also there were 4 questions. Another thing, guys, Let us look at another thing, which is English. Consistently there have been 20 questions in all these papers. So let's look at HROB, 21 questions in GSI 2018, but in DRO paper there were just 10 questions, which were 18 again in this DRDO, and this DRDO only again these were 10 questions. Then let's look at general science now. So for general science, this paper had 15 questions, again 15, this time 20, and then in this paper there are only 6 questions. For labor law GSIC there were 7, DRO 19, 0 in DRDO, again DRDO 15 questions. So guys, what do we make out of it? What can we understand from this analysis? The only thing which you should understand from this analysis is not to understand anything. So guys, do not be in any preconceived notion that how many questions can come from which topic. It will always keep varying. And not only with the admin officer exam, this is true with all recruitment exams. I'll give you another example. In ALC paper, UPSC ALC of 2015, there were approximately 45 questions on labor laws. But in 2017, this number was above 70. Can you see the difference? In one paper, there were only 5 questions on computer knowledge. In another, there were 15 questions on computer. So guys, what our suggestion is that there is no topic which is less or more important. Please go through everything with equal focus. Do not be under any preconceived notion that this is less important or this is more important. Although there were 0 questions in office management and procedure in 2018, it might also happen that in next exam there will be 15 questions from office procedure and office management. So what do we learn from this video? Do not learn anything. Treat every topic with equal importance, cover entire syllabus topic by topic, cover 100% syllabus. There is another video which we have done in which we have told you what has to be studied under each topic. Go look at that. If you are enrolled with us, you don't have to do anything. If you are not enrolled with us, go look at that video, look at every video that go through that. That is how you will crack this exam. Let us now understand how Human Peritus will support you in cracking Admin Officer GSIC exam. Our preparation plan is composed of 4 components. Component number 1. First, we'll send you printed concise booklets via courier at your home. Through these printed booklets, you'll be able to cover entire syllabus in a very short span of time. Please note that the current affairs are also included. Component number 2, next, will give you access to recorded videos of entire course Admin Officer GSI. Please note that these classes were conducted specially for UPSC recruitment exams. You are welcome to check the style and quality of teaching by looking at few demo videos which are available on our website. Let me show you where you can find these recorded videos. Go to website of Human Peritus, go to GSI Admin Officer page. Once you are on the GSI page, in the middle of this page, you will find various recorded videos of our classes. Component number 3, next, will give you access to an online question bank of more than 7,000 questions. Let me show you how it looks like. Once you log in with username and password, this is how it looks like. There are 3 important points about this online question bank. Number 1, this question bank includes all previous year papers of various recruitment exams of UPSC like Admin Officer, ALC, APFC, EPFO, ESIC, etc. Plus, we also have made available other UPSC exams like NDA, CDS, Civil Services Prelims, etc. Plus, there are new questions by our team. Second important point, please note that we have subdivided these 7,000 questions in approximately 150 subtopics. For example, let us look at the topic of human resource management. As you can see that there are 34 questions only on the topic of compensation management. Similarly, there are 61 questions on performance management and appraisal. We can also look at another topic. Maybe we can look at Indian polity. Under Indian polity, you can see that there are 18 questions only on election commission, 13 questions on UPSC and SPSC. Similarly, you can see that there are 107 questions on Indian Parliament. This is how we have broken down entire question bank in approximately 150 subtopics. Why we did it? So that you have flexibility to focus only on those areas where you feel the need. Third important point about this question bank. Please note that these questions are not only with answer but a detailed explanation with every question. You can see that in front of you. Thus, this question bank is not only to assess you but also to make you learn with every question. Component number 4. Finally, when your entire syllabus is over, we'll make you go through 8 full-length, fresh mock test papers. These mock test papers will be computer-based, just like actual UPSC exam. Please note that if you go through these 4 components with us, you need not touch any other book, not even previous year papers, nothing else. Just go through whatever we ask you to do and you are ready for the exam. You can completely depend upon us for your success. So, how you can enroll? Go to website of Human Peritus, then go to GSIC page. First understand the entire structure of program. You can also look at few demo recorded classes which are given in the middle of the page. You can also look at sample study material which is given over here. If interested, you can enroll using these green buttons. If there are any doubts, you can get back to us via email or phone. We also have given 2 links in the description below. The first link is for GSI page on our website. There is another link. If you click on that, that will connect you with our team directly via WhatsApp. You can discuss, you can ask anything which you want. Feel free to let us know if you have any queries. All the best. Thank you.